Okay, so I've been asked to do a little video of how to install the rear cover. It's a 3D printed part. You do have to pay a small fee for the right to print it. I've obviously painted mine. Print didn't come out the best on mine. If I'd have loaded it in a different way, it'd have printed better. But yeah, so installing it, as you can see, it's just a matter of it's a kind of snug fit. It seems to stay on there when you're driving around. The only unfortunate thing is to install this, you have to remove this, which is held on by 3 screws, but you do kind of have to take the entire body apart to get to it, if I remember, which is screw here, 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 I believe that one, and these 2 here. So anyway, I'll take it apart to the stage that I can put that bit back on if I wish to, so you can see how to get to those 3 screws. And helps if I remember well, I've just put my own screwdriver that I had about 3 seconds ago. Honestly, most of the time doing a job is finding the part, you just put it down. So these little 2 here that hold the rear chassis. I don't think you can take the rear bed off out and take the cab off, unfortunately. That starts releasing it, but yeah, as I remembered, the rear chassis is kind of attached to the cab. So that screw just there. That one there. That one. And that one. Actually, I've just dropped that on the floor. So screws still needs to drop from there. And then releases the body. Be quite a tight fit in there, but we can work around this. So going to disconnect everything. There's a screw here and a screw there, and then that finally gets you to the point of taking off the rear bed. Then this screw. And then if I wanted to reinstall this or remove this, it's just held in by 3 screws just there. Obviously I'm going to leave this part off because I want to reinstall the rear canopy again. But that is about the extent that you need to get to, and then it's just reassembly after that. Line up the rear bed, drop the screw through the door because that helps. Drop the rear bed, line up the rear bed. Obviously you don't want to go too tight because the screws are only going into plastic, so dead easy to strip the plastic threads. Often when you take these apart you find that sort of some of the screws aren't that tight anyway because they've already been pre-stripped for you. That's that. And then just marry these two back up again. If you wanted to remove the interior, it's the 2 screws that hold the steps on, and then the interior comes out and it's easy to paint up and that from there. These wires just seem to kind of live where they live, and then just a case of putting the 8 screws back in that hold the body again. So let's see if I can show you. So that screw there. Just put the snorkel off while you're at it. The screw doesn't seem to be lined up lately. Lined up. There we go. Hopefully you can see where that screw's going. That's the first one of 8. And then you've got 2 tucked in just there. These will be the ones that you drop half a dozen times before you actually get in the hole, as I say. Just want to snug these, you don't try and tighten them really. Those wires should hopefully sit out of the way. Make sure that one's pulled through enough. Plenty of lead on the battery. Happy days, that one's still there. Just there. And there. Just knock the stand, that helps. And then the last two. Fairly obvious. There you go, all back together. Put the sample back in place. And then, depending on whenever you've removed this or not, and then just nice and simple, pushes into place. No screws involved, just push fit. And yeah, that's how you get to the rear canopy. I mean, these always kind of look like they're sort of bowing in a bit. I suppose they are really, but that's just the way that they fit together, really. I guess if you're fanatic, you could space it out or something, but I'm really not too fanatic, so. But, yeah, I mean, that looks like the body would be straighter to me, but it's just the way they come. So yeah, I hope that video helps some of you that are curious about how to fit the rear canopy or remove the body on the MN, what's it, 82 I think this is. Yeah, hope that helps. Please sort of like and subscribe if you can, and leave a comment if it does help. Cheers, bye.